Yeah. Yeah. Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Borat.
I'm Howard Tanner, the operations manager here at Vengeance Racing and also the lead calibrator on the production side. We have a 2023 ZL1 Camaro 10-speed car that was dropped off for our Maggie Street Package. Package consists of our camshaft, CNC ported cylinder heads, Magnuson Supercharger, induction upgrades using the RotoFab intake, and then some cooling mods. This package typically on pump gasoline, which is how we kind of set these things up, should make 800 to 840 wheel. Really why we call it our street package. We do have a next package over this, our Maggie race package, which gets into more of a ported blower, improved set of cylinder heads. We typically run those things on port fuel, D85. Pretty punchy package, but this is a pretty good package for the street. All right, let me pull this thing up. Ooh, there it is. I got a fly in the room here now. Get this? All right.
That's gone. No fly.
All right, so we so you want to talk about this or no?
Yeah. So what is that?
Well, that's where we watch TV. Some guys like to watch SpongeBob. Other people like to watch telenovelas, which are basically Latin soap operas. But I like to use it for the dyno. So we have two screens, small screen, big screen. That's for old people, it's for young people that can see stuff that's smaller. But anyway, ready? All right. So, what happened? Somebody come in here? All right, ready? So we got our final results here from the Maggie Street Package. This 10-speed car just produced 863 horsepower, 782 foot-pounds of torque through the 10-speed. That's enough to keep the factory tires in pretty bad shape. Pretty potent package. Guys gonna like it.